Hello everyone. First of all, I wish you good morning and I start with my orientation program. Friends, we know that the lockdown getting stretched and your routines getting monotonous due to various sorts of webinars and online lectures has made you exhausted. But believe me, I have brought to you an exciting opportunity which will surely freshen up your minds. So, good morning everyone. My fellow students, respected HOD Mechanical Engineering, Dr. B.D. Bachav sir, our team coordinator, Dr. A.B. Wagmare sir, faculty advisor, Professor S.V. Chaitanya sir, and all other motorheads who are keen to know what Formula Student and Resonance Racing is all about. Today, we have gathered together via this digital platform for this orientation program of our myself, Master Abhishek Manjrekar from Powertrain and Marketing Department would like to welcome you all on behalf of entire Resonance Racing team. Now, every orientation has an agenda. Also, we have set a few for us. The purpose of this orientation is to give you all an acquaintance with the exciting world of Formula student community. It includes a short tour through the tracks of information regarding resonance racing Formula student. It also involves basic knowledge about our various departments and also an insight on how our recruitment process is going to be. Additionally, you will learn about how actual engineering is implemented to make our car up to the mark. Let's start with the introduction about Formula Student. Formula Student is Europe's most established automotive engineering competition. Formula SAE started back in 1978. This competition challenges team of university students to conceive, design, fabricate, develop and compete with small Formula style race cars. It aims to develop aspiring and innovative young engineers like you and me and give us all national level stage to showcase the art of engineering. Now let us talk about our team and how it works. I hereby hand over this presentation to our team leader, Master Aniruddha Dabolkar.
Thank you, Abhishek. Now let's look into our Formula student team, Resonance Racing. Back in 2011, a group of engineering students of interdisciplinary departments started a team under the name Resonance Racing. Dedication, perseverance, and great support from our college have always been the key factor for our excellence. We at Resonance Racing believe in systematic, applied engineering and professional approach, which has been possible due to the motivation we get from our vision and mission. Striving for the best and pushing the boundaries has always been the goal, and then applying the knowledge is what makes a good decision and a better team, be it technical or regarding the management. Here at Resonance Racing, we give our best to make most out of our car, which can be evident from our journey so far. Ranking first in the inaugural event of Supra SAE India in 2010, 2012, and later ranking fourth overall position in the same event. Unfortunately, we had a speed bump in our journey. The team was dissolved. But hey, we came back with even stronger determination in the year 2017 and ranked overall 22nd at Formula Bharat. Furthermore, in 2018, we ranked 10th in business logic case and 30th in design event at Formula Bharat. Okay, now let's actually see what we have created so far. The first picture is way back in 2011, then after the revival at Formula Bharat 2018, and then the final iteration of 2019 season for Supra SA. Okay, now I would like to hand over the further presentation to my colleague Avdut, who will be guiding you through the subsystems of our team.
Thank you, Aniruddha. You must be wondering that after building the Formula Student car, which are the platforms where Team Resonance Racing performs and compete with other Formula Student teams? First of which is Formula Bharat. It is the most reputed Formula Student event in India. It is an engineering design competition in which students from different colleges, universities from all over the country compete with life-size Formula style vehicle. The competition replicates the Global Student Formula Series hosted in around 11 countries. It is held in Kari Motor Speedway in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, organized by Curasum Tech Private Limited. Another Formula Student event in which our team participates is Supra SAE India, one of the biggest Formula Student competition organized annually by SAE India. The event provides the platform for students to apply their engineering skills to design, manufacture a Formula category vehicle as per defined performance specifications and safety regulations. It is held in Budh International Circuit, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. In addition to just academics, students learn the art of management and teamwork. This can't be learned from books, but by experiencing and practically doing for team would definitely boost your skills. At Resonance Racing, we believe that every problem has solution and we can tackle it by pushing our own limits through perseverance. Creative thinking is actually both the capacity to blend and synthesize to present suggestions, design, and problem solving in creative and unique ways, and expertise of thinking, responding, and dealing in creative ways. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make influence and difference. It's never about the role, but always about the goal. In resonance racing, you will learn the process of influencing and supporting others to work enthusiastically towards achieving objectives of individual as well as team. The purpose of this competition is encourage students to gain hands-on practical experience while applying engineering theories studied in classroom. By being Formula student and part of resonance racing, you will get your skills definitely developed. Team Resonance Racing is further segregated in two main departments that are first, technical, second, corporate and public relations. Under technical department, we have sub-departments. So let me introduce you our sub-departments. First is chassis. A chassis is the basic framework which supports all other subsystems of our car. Chassis is designed to meet up with optimum requirements of safety regulations specified by competition. Then we have suspension and damper system. It is crucial department where we design and analyze suspension in order to achieve maximum performance and handling. Suspension design may vary on road terrain and vehicle itself. Braking system, an essential part of vehicle. Without the ability to slow down and stop our vehicle, we cannot hold control on it. And it helps to optimize grip at each corner on racetrack. Powertrain department consists of air intake, exhaust, cooling system, and drivetrain. Each of these is studied and maximum output is combined together to attain desired goal by considering the safe design and driver safety. Then we have steering system, which helps the driver to maneuver vehicle for better results. Steering is combined effect of all linkages by efforts given by driver to him, which results to high speed on track. The steering provides pure rolling motion to wheel and fulfill the requirement of steering to take sharp turns on track. Electrical and electronics department handles the various components in a car like wiring harness, battery optimization and speedometer, etc. The ultimate goal of this department is to provide power to car and study of components to achieve maximum results. Manufacturing department is where we transform the design into practical components. It is most responsible department as it is handling different aspects of technical and practical implementations of various manufacturing practices. Last but the most important, driver is the linkage between whole team and car. The efforts of each member is transformed into ready to race car and the driver is the one who is representing the whole team on racetrack. So driver carries whole lot of responsibility. Getting an exposure in technical and marketing field parallelly and you will experience how things work in corporate, which will help you in business management after your graduation. Getting involved in public relation activities let you know how to deal with different kinds of customers, clients, and help you to know psychology, mentality, and attitude for survival in market. Getting involved with team resonance racing for corporate and public relations will definitely boost you and uplift your skills and performance while being in industrial sector. Working with our finance, business plan and cost, and marketing department, you will learn new skills that makes you distinct engineer. I would like to hand over the presentation to Rohan Gawane for further details.
Thank you, Avadut. As my friend explained you with basic insights of all our departments, The next focus comes onto the designing department, where you model, design, create, analyze, and iterate to achieve the component needed. And for this purpose, designing software plays a very vital role. We use softwares like SolidWorks, ANSYS, Lotus Shark, etc. I would take an example to design and test a drive shaft. We can't always practically manufacture and test every iteration as it causes waste of time and money. So we could just design it in a model software which is combination of computer aided designing and computer aided engineering CAE. It replicates the component needed but virtually. And now if we want to test our vehicle's suspension, handling, load transfer, body roll, steering, we could replicate this in simulation software, which enables us to use our geometry to test for dynamic road conditions like bump, roll, and steer by giving data how car would run in the real world. Now, here we have software known as ANSYS, which enables us multiphysics engineering simulation, testing, and operation. Here we test all components which we design and whether they satisfy all the required safety parameters. Oof, after so much of designing, testing, analyzing, question pop-ups in our mind exactly how our vehicle will look like. So here it is, an overview of Formula Student car, which represents where exactly the components are placed, like heart of car, that is engine, at rear, arms of car, that is steering, and numerous components like brakes, brake pedal, suspension, with whole framework, that is chassis. So this is how a Formula Student car looks like. Now let us begin with the most awaited part of our presentation, that is the recruitment process, which has been classified in four parts, which are as follows. First, orientation program, which is webinar where you got an peep in Formula student community and team resonance racing with insights of our department. Second part, which comes in picture, is probation period in which all conditions, the candidate, would be given a small booklet consisting basics of department and components respectively, which you can go through and research on all topics mentioned in booklet. After, after which we will conduct a small technical quiz. The third part is personal interview, which would be summation of technical and soft skills. And fourth part is based on all tasks of recruitment process and interview, and thus the results will be declared and will be notified to you. With this, I conclude my part and would like to hand over to my fellow member Abhishek to continue our program.
Well, thank you, Rohan. Indeed, those were some wonderful explanations linked with some of the most beautiful emotions. So, from the beginning, we learned about what our team is, what we do, which competitions we participate in, and what all skills like technical, corporate, designing, etc., get inculcated in us. No doubt, these skills will get us noticed by many big companies through our resumes, but moreover, this amazing blend of knowledge will help us improve our life skills. Now, I would like to present to all a beautiful series of memories which will make you witness some valuable experiences from our ex teammates. Wow, that was really nostalgic. I hope you liked it as well. Do share your feedback through the link mentioned in the chat box. Based on the responses, we will convey you the details about the interview on WhatsApp group. The booklet for probation and other study material will also be shared prior to the interview on the same group. Now, I call upon our team leader, Master Aniruddha Dhaborkar, to give the conclusion.
Well, that was some really great explanation from my teammates, and thank you all for being such a patient audience. Now, regarding the recruitment process, our team or any of your questions and queries, feel free to contact through the team through the contacts mentioned on your display right now. And now that we have came to the end of our program, before the vote of thanks, I would like to ask Dr. B.D. Vachchav sir and Dr. Wagmare sir to have their thoughts on our presentation.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you very much. Actually, I appreciate the team for making a very nice and brief presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So you started with a very good presentation, even well managed it, and we have to go with this one only. So well prepared, and all the best for the journey. And we have to win. We have a legacy. We were champion in 2011, and we have to be again. So, but this time it is slightly different way. It will be mostly virtual. So well prepared in the virtual competition. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Now that we have came to the end of the program, Honorable B.D. Bachchav sir and respected Dr. A.V. Wagmare and all the participants, it's my pleasure to have been asked to prepare a vote of thanks. I, on the behalf of Team Resonance Racing, extend a hearty vote of thanks to honorable delegates who blessed us with their presence and spared their valuable time from the busy schedule. As no program can be successful with a single person, so I extend my big thanks to the entire team. Thank you guys for making this event successful. Now I declare that program has officially ended. For extended coverage, do follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. Thank you one and all, and have a nice day.